Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to create your stunning blog using Google Blogger for free. So by the way, my name is Marvin Alamo and I am the founder of Archers team here in UAE. Basically, I teach and help people how to earn at the comfort of their home using blogging or through our opportunity by blogging. So basically right now what you're seeing on your screen is my blog, and I create this blog using Google Blogger. And the good thing is I'm going to show you how to create the same blog for free. So let's start. Then make sure that you should have Google account. Let's sign in on my account. Then on this window you will see on the upper right corner this Google Apps. Click more. Then you're gonna find this blogger icon. Click blogger. Then you will be redirected to the same window which look like this. So on the left corner you'll find this new blog. Click new blog. Then there will be a window pop up, the same window that you must create your blog title. So for example, you are promoting um, some products, health and wellness products. So your title must be related to your opportunity, to your products. So if you are in multi-level marketing, for example, you're part of AIM Global or Alliance in Motion Global, you can enter AIM Global Opportunity, or let's say AIM Global Business Opportunity. Then you must select your custom domain. For example, AIM Global Business. Let's check whether this is available. So it mentioned here that this blog address is not available, so we must change our address. So let's put one here, and still not available. Let's say 1, 2 and 3. Then this blog address is available. Then let's choose simple for now, then create blog. And now we made our first blog. So let's view our blog. Alright, this is our blog now. So the next thing we have to do is to create these tabs or page like home, about me, about AIM Global, or whatever page do you want to put on your blog. So now let's go back to your blogger, and here you have to go to layout. Then under layout you will see this cross column. Click add gadget. Then there will be a window again pop up, and let's find pages. Click the plus button, scroll down, then save. Okay, so let's view our blog. Okay, you already have home. Now let's add some page. On your blogger, go to pages, create a new page. Let's create page title, for example, about us. Click publish. then you already have about us. Again, let's create a new page. For example, what I have here is about AIM Global. About AIM Global. Click publish. Then let's create about, let's say, products and opportunity. Click new page, products. Click publish. Then let's make opportunity. Sorry about that. Click publish. Then let's view our blog. So as you can see, there's no pages yet or tabs. So what we're going to do is go back to layout. Again, under cross column, pages, click edit. Then all of the external link or pages here, you must select all. As you can see, it select all. Then here, you can change or drop to change the ordering or the list of order of your page. For example, I want to put this about us under home, and under about us is AIM Global, products and opportunity. Then make sure that you click save. Okay, so let's view our blog. Alright, you already have pages. Okay, so now let's change our background and our size of our blog, the same of width of my blog. So let's go to template, click customize, click adjust width. Then let's change the width of the entire blog. Let's choose 1100. Then the right sidebar here, let's change it to 400, and make sure you click apply to blog. Okay, now let's change the background of your blog. Click advanced. Actually, you can change it here also. And if you want to select an image, if you are in arts or in business, if you, as we select in global business, you can choose also business, and you can choose one of these image to select or put to your background. So for example, this one, then the image will be look like this. Okay, so let's change it to white background only. So let's go back to advanced here. Then here you'll see this page text, background, links, blog title. Now let's change the background here. Then outer background, let's change it to white. So as you can see, the background immediately changed. Then the header background you can change also, if you want blue or light blue, or you want red. It depends on what you want. Okay, so make sure that you click apply to blog. All right, then again, what we're going right now again is to change and remove this about me on your sidebar. So and change it to the same author. So thank you very much for watching this video, and the next video we are going to teach you how to create your custom header and create your author on your sidebar. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find something valuable and help you and start you to learn how to create your own stunning blog. See you in the next video, and God bless you.